I don't want to lose you again.
I remember tears streaming down your face when I said I'll never let you go. When all those shadows almost killed your light. I remember you said don't leave me here alone. But all that's dead and gone and past tonight. Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright. No one can hurt you now. Come morning light. You and I'll be safe and sound.
Hey, I will always stay by your side forever, 'cause we're better together.
Don't you dare look out your window, darling, everything's on fire. The war outside our door keeps raging on. Hold on to this lullaby, even when the music's gone, gone. Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright. No one can hurt you now. Come morning light. You and I'll be safe and sound.
Gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too.
We shouldn't be sad. You're making a record. I'm so proud of you.
I know. And you're going on your first tour. And hey, we're only gonna be apart for like 3 months.
Actually, it's 94 days.
Just close your eyes. You'll be alright. Come morning light. You and I'll be safe and sound.
When I first met you, I had no idea that you'd be the best thing that ever happened to me. I can't imagine my life without you. I love you, Allie.
I love you too, Austin.